चलिए फोर्थ एपिसोड काफी धमाकेदार रहा, क्या कहना चाहेंगे आज? What do you want to say?
কিসে বলবো? না না মানে ও শোনা যাবে? Actually, we are very much excited today because 2 launches there and 300 episodes and Janet is going 300 episodes. Actually, we got an offer from a channel Colors Hindi for making a show. That time I was very busy for my new upcoming, so we took some time for this show, and now Durga is knocking at the door. Knocked actually. Durga is a girl, poor tribal girl. We will see her fights, her struggles, her journey, her ups and downs. Parallelly, we will see her unconditional love. You can say it is a love story, impossible love story. You can say it is a story of women empowerment. But I would like to say it is a story where we can see a girl is fighting for his justice. At the same time, she is fighting for her love. She protects her love, and that's it. So I want to convey my thanks to everybody who are attached to this, and my technicians, my artists, everybody doing very well. And Rab Rakha is one of our show.
What do you want to say, Pranali and Sir related?
They're doing excellent. Pranali, Arjun.
Character name is Anurag.
Character name. I will call by character name. Arjun and Durga, right? And everybody is very excellent, and especially Panibal. She is awesome. So we are trying our best. Rest of the thing depends on viewers. I want to convey my gratitude to my viewers. They are my support. They are my strength. I need their blessings. That's it.
So आज जैसे आप लोग मैम से मिल रहे हैं, मैं भी आज मैम से पहली बार मिला हूँ और इक्वली एक्साइटेड था मैम से मिलने के लिए. तो यस, वी हैव सीन द प्रोमोज. बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार मिला हमें हमारे प्रोमो के लिए, एंड वी होप कि एपिसोड में भी उतना ही हमें प्यार मिले. एंड वी हैव सीन द स्क्रीनिंग ऑफ 2 फर्स्ट एपिसोड्स एंड लुक ऑसम. द राइटिंग, द प्रोडक्शन, द ओवरऑल मेकिंग ऑफ दिस एंटायर शो इज ह्यूज. सो फिंगर्स क्रॉस, एंड आई होप कि जितना मज़ा हमें काम करने में, ये पूरे एपिसोड्स को बनाने में आया, उतना उनको देखने में मज़ा आए हमारे व्यूअर्स को.
वेल मैं बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड थी एपिसोड्स के लिए. एंड जैसे प्यार हमको आशा ने जैसे हमें बताया कि प्रोमोस को बहुत प्यार मिला है, एंड वो सुपर एक्साइटेड. मैं आज अपनी मॉम डैड को भी लेकर आई हूँ एज अ व्यूअर, तो मुझे जानना था कि उन्हें कैसा लगा. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, थैंक्स टू एवरीवन जो यहाँ पे आए, हमारा एपिसोड देखा और सबको बहुत अच्छा लगा. मैं तो बता नहीं लगती मैं कैसी लग रही हूँ, मैं तो खैर सुंदर ही लग रही हूँ. मुझे तो मैं पसंद ही हूँ. But touchwood, people are loving it, and thanks to Leena ma'am, thanks to Saibal sir, मुझे opportunity मिली, and we will rock it.
Yeah, we will rock it. अरे उनसे ही सीखा हुआ है.
कौन सी moves?
भांगड़ा moves. You never know.
Yeah. नहीं सिखाती.
अभी आप स्टोरी में भी देखेंगे कि मुझे कैसे नचा रही हैं.
मतलब कि जब तक ये प्रोडक्शन मैजिक गाइड मेक मैजिक, तो ये मैजिक मोमेंट में 3 शोज ऑन है. कितना ब्यूटीफुल लग रहा है आज आपको, कैसे लग रहा है?
ना, इसे तो हम बहुत दिन पहले से कर रहा है. कलकत्ता में एक साथ 5-5, 6-6 शो हम लोग किया है. एट ए टाइम 9 शोज भी किया है. So she is the creator, as you all know, and she is also the director and producer of the show, and I am also director and producer of the show. I myself is a director and myself also an editor and also a musician. So what happens is that when these two things mix together, so we work with passion only. We never think of commercials and all these angles. So in the beginning, whatever the writing comes, we justify that, and always we believe in a big mountain because the canvas is a thing. As you know, this Rajasthan, the way we have shot Rajasthan, I think it's never rarely seen in television. फिल्म में आप लोग देखेंगे, but television में आप लोग कभी rarely देखा होंगे. So this is a challenge to visualize and to translate her visuals, her writing into the screen. So that we did it very perfectly and successfully because thanks to our entire technical team, our crew and everybody, from the spot boy to the director and obviously to cast.
In-house team.
And the in-house team also. There was support from Kolkata also. Many music pieces were recorded there and our Calcutta backup team also supported this. So this is a collective team effort and we try to give life to her writing, which I don't think I am 100% capable of, but at least if I can reach 70-80% of it, then the thing is done.
I want to share something. That is when we started work for Durga, we heard a lot of rumors, such as they are very much creative team of colors, they are non-cooperative, they will not value your opinion, etc., etc. But when we started work, we felt another thing and another experience. They are very much supportive, very much what should I say? Very much sensible. Yeah. So we are doing this work with help of everybody, from channel to in-house. And one more thing, Shoibal sir, if he is indispensable for this show, I must say, without his sincere support, it is impossible to launch.
I'll just add one more thing to it. So while us, like we actors working on set, I realized that this production house is a creative first production house. Rather than seeing anything else, what they see is the creative perspective first before pitching a scene. And while the writing comes, we as actors, when we try and like make a scene good, so overall the perspective is just the creative first. That's the best thing for actors also.
What do you think?
I'm literally feeling very overwhelmed right now because I've been a big fan of Leena ma'am's writing. I've watched all the stories. So I was very excited and I am very excited today. And the team is great. Be it the directors, be it the spot, dadas, everybody, hair, makeup, everybody in the team is so great. Saibal sir comes on set and we have lots of fun. So touchwood, I'm having a lot of fun and people are loving it. And I hope people will keep loving and keep showering love.
Didi, how do you make these magic moments happen with your pets? Anything you touch with it?
I don't know. That I really don't know.
I think it comes from the experience of life.
Yeah, experience of life, and I believe people's blessing is with me.
Any emotional moment here that's actually derived from real life? Like what characterization or something we can relate.
Each and every character. It is applicable for each and every character. Some hints are there.
If you pick up the story and put it in another backdrop, then also you will find similarity. All characters are real characters. Nobody is over the top.
I can't write without a real character. Without seeing, I can't write.
Thank you, sir. Pranali, हमें the pressure feel करते हैं TRP के लिए. You already did one hit show, वो top में रहा है, ये इसका कहना था. Now, how much you feel pressure?
To be honest, at this point, I'm not feeling pressurized at all because ये team effort है, collective effort है. तो हम सबको पता है कि हम बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं एंड पीपल आर लविंग इट एनीवे, सो देयर इज नो प्रेशर एज सच, वी आर हैविंग फन, वी हैव आवर होप्स हाई, स्पेशली तब से जब से प्रोमो को बहुत अच्छा रिव्यू मिला है. सो वी आर जस्ट राइट नाउ वेरी एक्साइटेड एंड नर्वस. आई थिंक बस 10-5% है, बाकी तो
Actually, we are enjoying. We all are enjoying the work.
true. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you for coming.
You want now? You want to do Robra Khana?
मैं बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ मैजिक मोमेंट्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, साइबिल दादा, साइबिल बैनर्जी और लीना जी, जिन्होंने मुझे पानी बाई के किरदार में मुझे चुना. और ये बहुत ही हटके, जैसे कि आप देख रहे हो कि ये सिर्फ एक ग्रैंडियर या विजुअल वाला शो नहीं, उसके साथ साथ भी एक स्टोरी है, एक बैक स्टोरी है. और इसमें लीना जी ने एक कुछ अलग किया है कि हर एक किरदार को कैरेक्टराइजेशन के रूप में उन्होंने उभर के वो लेकर आए हैं, जिसका नाम है दुर्गा. तो मैं अपने मित्रों से यही कहूँगी कि आप लोग प्यार बरकरार ऐसे ही रखना और हमारे शो को ऐसे आगे बढ़ाते रहना. और मुझे याद है जब मैं साइबिल
দিদির কাছে থাকো, এদিকে এসে ইন্টারভিউ যেখানে হচ্ছে সেখানে এসো.
So what you want me to talk about?
आपने इंदिरा जी को पूछना है, इतने एक्साइटिंग रोल के लिए.
The choice was very difficult. Practically speaking, the character is very complex, very difficult to portray, and at the same time, the look was also very important. So we tried. No artist is. All the artists are good. In Mumbai, we came across for the role of this Pani Bai. Whoever has come, all the artists were good. I am not telling anybody is not good, but simply the look and the way she speaks and the understanding of the character. This I was not getting in any of the artists which were selected. So finally, when her interview came, her audition came to us, so I first liked it and I sent it to Linaram also. So then we both decided that this is the man we are searching for. Sultan, I thought, yes, this is what we are looking for. So then usually what happens is that I first screen here and then send it to Linaram for the final selection, because she is writing, she is also creating, visualizing, so it must gel with her. So at one go she said, no, you have found the correct person, so let's go for her. We had one veteran artist from Kolkata also. She was also equally good. But what happened is that also we were looking at the age group. We were matching the age group because Savitri Devi should be older than her and she should be young according to the story. So सब मिला के इन्होंने हमको बहुत suitable लगा, and she was apt look wise and understanding wise. She understood the character well. And after that, I didn't expect it so much. When she came for the reading, from then on, I started realizing that yes, she is doing some improvisation to the character, which she did, and she made the character one step more ever. And in one word, I can say that she has stolen the show.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Magic moment, like magic, you are part of the magic team. Can you tell us how it feels and something on Indira?
I think Indira ji is one of the best musicians, and
We had a meeting also with Sangeeta.
so Indira ji has never done this kind of role before, and that was something which she thought was very challenging, interesting, and something she wanted to do. I think that has been one of the best things of the show.
How do you feel?
I can go now. अब तो उनको लेंगे.
How difficult or easy is it? How difficult or easy is it for you to play?
So बड़ा कॉम्प्लेक्स कैरेक्टर है ये, बिकॉज हर एक सीन में मैंने एक अलग तरीके का शेड पोर्ट्रेट किया है. हर एक कैरेक्टर के साथ पानी बाई बिल्कुल अलग बिहेव करती है, लेकिन एट द सेम टाइम उनका कंट्रोल एंड डोमिनेंस है उस घर में. So it becomes a little complex, but yes, after I saw this first two episodes, what I had conceived for Pani Bai, वो बिल्कुल वैसे ही आएगा. And और भी, you know, I'm doing even more to make it outstanding.
There is one problem to this character. कोई भी एक्टर इसको ओवरडू कर दे सकता है. So वही you have to know the limit till what I will go and where I will keep my limit. So that's perfect.
Calcutta was like amazing in home ground. But in Bombay, how have you managed to do again 6 sixers in 1 over?
This is simply because we work for heart, we work for passion. That is the main reason. So I don't look into the finance in that way. So I've got a safeguard check post sitting in my right hand side. So he's the check post. So somehow from the very beginning this team came. So he is the check post and I always overrule. And as I told you, we work from our heart, we work from passion. So I believe from whichever region you are, you can succeed in any region if you work from your heart and if you work with passion.
Can you add to what makes Magic Moments so beautiful?
I think it is Leena Di's brilliant writing and kind of effort Devilda puts in. Passionately give those writing the right kind of visuals in terms of production quality, casting, all of it. So it's a brilliant, kind of team. Leena Di and Devilda both they approach the work. Also, it makes my life very difficult, but I have no escape.
Yeah, very good writing also without proper execution fails. So the combination of both is very important.
One last line from you.
I was telling Saibilda today that संकेतन कि जब मैं ग्रीन वैली आती हूँ, अभी पहले झनक का सेट देखा, अब मैंने रब का सेट भी देख लिया, ये दुर्गा भी कर रहे हैं, तो मुझे लगता है कि धीरे धीरे ग्रीन वैली इज गोइंग टू चेंज इनटू मैजिक वैली and it has become Magic Valley. I really honored to be associated ये production के साथ. हालांकि मैंने बहुत productions के साथ काम किया, लेकिन मैं praise करके नहीं बोल रही हूँ, लेकिन जिस तरीके का visual treatment, जिस तरीके का liberation for the production wise, even the artist wise, that way they have not told the artist कि आपको इस दायरे में ही काम करना है. So very liberally they've allowed the artist also to portray the character. I think that that is giving a lot of positivity to all the shows I've been watching of Magic Moments.